I will discuss about fprintf and fscanf functions in C programming, where we should use fscanf and fprintf. You know that what is the use of the scanf and printf. The scanf function which is used to get the input data from the keyboard. And what is the meaning of the printf function? The printf function which is used to display the data on the output console. You know it. What is the syntax to get the input data? What is the syntax to write the output data using this scanf and printf? You know it. But today I will talk about the fprintf function and fscanf function. The f stands for file because the fprintf and fscanf function, both functions should be used when you are working with the files. Here, but what is the meaning of the statement? Then what is the meaning of the fprintf? F stands for file. You know that printf function, you know it. It is used to write a data to a file because in normal it is like a printf function. What is the use of the printf function? Which is used to display the data on the output device. But here output device is like a monitor. But here it is used to write a data to a file. Where the output should be there? The output should be in the form of file. Okay, when you create the file, something if you want to write the data into a file, just open the file, whether the file data is stored or not, you check it once. Then fscanf, the file has existed. If you want to get the data from your file, then we can use the fscanf function. The meaning, but here we can use with the files, but printf and scanf, it is input device, it is output device. Okay, that is the only difference, but working is same. But what is the syntax for the fprintf function? What is the syntax for the fscanf function? The fprintf, it is the first argument is a file pointer. The second argument is a format specifier. For example, if you want to write the integer data, you can use the %d. If you want the string %s, in case of character %c. If you want to write float data %f, you know it. Then n number of variables. The v1, v2, v3 up to v1. How many variables do you want to write into the file? You can mention over here. Okay. Then here we are working the file pointer. If you remove this one, it is a printf. The format specifier followed by the variable 1, variable 2. That is the syntax for the printf. Here additionally, when we are working with the files, then we should use the file pointer. The first argument is the file pointer. Like that, what is the syntax for the fscanf function? The first one is a file pointer. First argument is a file pointer. Then it is format specifiers. When you are reading the data from your file, we can use the address operator. Because a scanf function also, if you want to get the data from the keyboard, then you should use the address of a variable. Here also, address of variable 1, comma address of variable 2, comma address of variable 3, up to address of variable n. Here, this is the syntax as for the fprintf function and fscanf function. The fprintf function which is used for writing the data into a file, the fscanf function which is used to read a data from a file. Okay, both can use for the file purposes. Then I will write the example how the fprintf function and fscanf function will be used. Then you know that the syntaxes will be used for the fscanf and fprintf. Then I will write the example for it. Okay, there is no space on the board. Just I erase in these two statements. Then I will write the example. Yeah. The white, the example, white main or int main. the file pointer I can declare as fp. Then what are the variables are required? We will see. Then int what is called article number. Then char name should be I think 50 characters or 20. 20 is enough. Why should we waste our memory? After that, then file should be created. fp file pointer is fp equal f open then I want file name is data.txt. Then this second argument is a mode, file mode. Okay, I want to file mode is write. Then file is created. Once you write the statement, file should be created. Then if the file has not created, which returns f open function, which returns null. Okay, the file has not created, then which returns null. The file is created, there is no problem. Then fp null, then what you have to do is here printf unable to open file. Unable to open a file. Then exit. The program will be terminated. Okay. Otherwise, then we need to perform the operation on the file. Okay. If the file has opened, there is no problem. The condition returns false. Then we should be able to write printf enter name scanf %ls then name, because it is string we does not require to use the address operator. Then printf enter article number or roll number, then scanf %ld address of HT number. Look at here, enter name which are reading the name from the input device keyboard, then enter article number. These two are reading during the runtime of a program. Then after that you get the data from the input device and write to a file. Then how should you write a file? By using the fscanf function. Sorry, fprintf function. Fprintf, then file pointer is what? fp as per the syntax. First you want %ls, then I want use tab, then %ld, comma. The first one is what? Name, then both should be right. Here, whenever the file has created, what is the file name? Should be a data.txt text file. Here, if the file has created, the condition returns false. Therefore, if the file has not created, which file open function returns null, if the term condition returns true, printf unable to open a file exit. The program has terminated. Then the file has created, then control will comes to over here. Enter name. You have to take the name and article number during the runtime. Both should be right into a file. This f is the file pointer. Then percentage for the string, percentage d is the for the what is called integer. Then once you write the statement, what is the name? For example, name equal Anurag. Then article number equal to 521. How it can be saved to a file? First, Anurag will be saved over here. Space, tab space. After that, article number. What is article number? We have taken 521. Sorry, 521. Okay. Once we write this statement, here how the data has stored in the file. When you open the file, these data will be stored. The fprintf function, which are used to store write a data to a file, name and article number. Once you write the statement, the data has to be stored onto a file. The first variable is string, the second variable is integer. Then f close. Or you can use the rewind function. The file pointer is comes to the beginning of the file. Okay, rewind function. What is the use of the rewind? Where if the cursor pointer over here, then which will move to the first position of a file. Or else we can close it. F close. After that, again you can open the file. F open. Then data.txt. Then at this time it is a read mode. The file modes has been discussed in the last class. The file pointer again, we wrote the data, then file has been closed. After that, if you want to read the data from your file, again the files needs to be open. Then file pointer fp, f open, the data.txt read. At this time, the file has opened for the reading purpose. Then directly I did not write this condition because already file has been created. Then directly you can read the data from the file. How? By using the fscanf function. Okay. Once file has fscanf, fscanf file pointer is what? fp, then percentage s, then percentage d, comma, then string, address operator is not required, name, then address of ht. Because we reading the name and article number from the file, because in case of string is address operator is not required, you know it already. Then percentage d, address of article number. Got it? Then once you read, once after reading, printf after reading, then printf name equal percentage s, comma, name, then printf article number equal percentage d, what is ht number. then close, end main. Is it clear? Here, up to this statement, all of you know it. The file has written, data has written to a file, name and article number, file has been closed. Whenever if you want to read the data from a file, again the file needs to be opened. The file pointer equal open function should be used. Then file name, or it is used for the only reading purpose. Then fscanf file pointer %s, then %d, name, address operator is not required, comma, address of article number. Once we got the data from the file, then we need to display on the output device. After reading, name equal to %s, name should be displayed. The printf article number equal to article number. If you want to close the file, then fclose, fclose, fp is here. Sorry, forgot. Then fclose, fp. Okay. This is the simple program for how the data has written to a file, how the data has read from a file. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubt regarding this fscanf and fprintf function, just you connect me through comment box. Thank you one and all for watching my videos.